time to Cooking with Gloria. I'm Gloria and today I'm making for you strawberry cupcakes. They come out perfect every time. They come out very soft, very delicious, and I know that you and your family will love and enjoy. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. I have baking soda, vanilla extract, a pinch of salt, vegetable oil, strawberry nesquik, 1 egg, buttercream, sugar, all-purpose flour, and my little cupcakes pan. I am ready to show you how to make the strawberry cupcakes. So let's get started. I am ready to start with my strawberry cupcakes. I'm going to start with my wet ingredients. I have my buttermilk here, my vegetable oil, vanilla extract, and 1 egg. Okay, and I'm going to whisk and combine everything together. My kids love these strawberry cupcakes. They come out very spongy, very soft, very delicious, but yet not too sugary. Okay, I am done mixing. I'm going to start with my dry ingredients. I'm going to start with my flour, pinch of salt, baking soda, sugar, my strawberry nesquik, and we are ready to start adding it to my wet ingredients. I like to do it this way so I don't have no little balls of all-purpose flour or sugar. I like to sift it this way. Okay, I am done. I am ready to mix. Let's combine it completely. We don't want to over mix, okay? We're gonna mix it for about 1 or 2 minutes. Not more than that because we don't want to over mix our batter. Okay, this has been combined completely. So now I'm ready to add it to my baking dish. I put some liners already so it's easier to transport from one house to another because I'm taking them to my mom's house. So I'm going to transport them over there and I want them to look really nice and easy to transport. So I'm ready to add my batter. I'm going to add it only halfway. I'll show you when I'm done filling all my little cupcakes. I am done filling all my little cupcakes. My oven is already preheated 350 Fahrenheit and it's going to go in there for 20 to 25 minutes. So I'll see you back in 25 minutes. I am bringing out my cupcakes. They are very, very hot. They were in the oven for 25 minutes. I'm gonna let them rest for at least 20 minutes before I take them out of the pan. So I'll see you in a little bit. 30 minutes have passed. My cupcakes are very room temperature. I want to show you how they look. Look how soft they are from the inside. Look how delicious they are. Very soft, very tender. I wanted to show you that part. Here I have strawberry frosting. I'm just going to add a little dollop right on the top. I like to do it just this way. I have some edible glitter that I'm going to put a little bit on. just so it looks a little fancy. And I am ready. I am ready to taste it and see how it came out. Look how beautiful this looks, and they can come out perfect every time. I'm gonna decorate some of them, and then I'll show you the final picture, because I want to already taste this delicious strawberry cupcake. With these strawberry cupcakes. Look how beautiful they look. I am ready to taste it, because this is the part I love, I enjoy, and I really look forward tasting my recipes. I wish you were here. Excuse me. My friends, I am done with these strawberry cupcakes. Look how beautiful they look. I am ready to taste it, because this is the part I love, I enjoy, and I really look forward tasting my recipes. I wish you were here. Excuse me. They came out delicious and soft and moist. Thank you so much for giving me your time, watching my video from start to end. I really appreciate it. If you liked and loved my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, give me thumbs up, share my video on social media. Don't forget to push the notification bell, so whenever I make a new video, you are notified. Thank you so much for being here with me. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And I will stay enjoying my strawberry cupcake. Bye-bye.